By the way, have you noticed that in 2024, most 4-bedroom villas or 4-bedroom mansions have been priced beyond the 15 million Kenya shillings mark? I know, anything below the 20 million Kenya shillings mark is just a pocket change to the super rich, but it is exceedingly a lot of money to the middle class. That's why I have brought you here. This is a gated estate of 4 villas in Kitengela, and we are exactly 10 minutes from Kitengela town. Each of these homes have been done on a 40 by 80 lot of land, and I know you are asking, how much is the price? Just guess, 15 million, 14? No, go lower. These units are going for only 11 million Kenya shillings, and trust me, when I show you inside, you'll tell me that this is really a worth price to pay. Just to show you how good the demand of this unit is, the developer did 4 units at the start of the year and they are all sold out. This is the phase 2 and we only have 2 units left. So make sure you don't miss on this one because the phase 3 might be more expensive. Each unit comes with a 2-car parking, but it is big enough to fit 3 cars if you like squeezing your cars. On my far front, you have your front yard done very well. It is a sizable piece of land for your kids to enjoy their games. And on that side where the cameraman is, you can create a small garden for your vegetables. Like you see, the neighbor has done very well and they have already planted some kales and some pumpkins. For the 3 of you who have been living under a rock, pumpkin leaves are also called misheveve. I'll take you inside. At the entrance of each unit, you are getting a beautiful entrance porch, and this becomes very important, especially if you do not like getting into the unit with your shoes on. As I mentioned earlier, this unit left me puzzled when I first visited. This developer is just on another level. I don't know how he got this, but I have not seen any unit on this price range with marble floors. This is real marble. Trust me. Behind me, you are getting a ton of windows to give you maximum natural light, and I like it that the developer was very deliberate on how he painted these houses. White is a very good color, and when it is done well, it symbolizes opulence, good craftsmanship, and spaciousness of livable spaces. Right now, you are seeing the living room from the dining area, and from there, you can notice that the craftsmanship of this unit has been done very well. I like how straight lines are running from the living room all the way to the dining area, and this seamless flow of everything is making this unit feel very posh. On this side, you have a plain wall with a multiple set of sockets, and this is where you are supposed to do your electronics. I like it that the developer makes sure that by the time you are getting this unit, you get it DSTV connected, water connected, and internet connected. That is always a plus. From here, I'm taking you to the dining area, and you'll tell me that if that is not a sufficient space for your massive family. The dining area runs from here to that end where it joins the living room, and that distance is exactly 3.7 meters. A standard dining table, which is a 6-seater, is always 2 meters. So this space is way bigger than what you need when you have a 6-member family. The dining area comes with a massive window on this side, and on the other side it opens to the kitchen through this massive access. When you add 2 or 3 chairs here, you are going to get an excellent breakfast table. I'll take you to the kitchen. A few days ago, I was talking to my sister, and one thing that I noticed is that she really enjoys watching our videos. But one funny thing about her, she has never completed watching any African real estate review of a unit with a bad kitchen. So I am very sure that a good kitchen is always a plus. And unlike my sister, some of you have not subscribed to this channel. That's why you need to do it right now. This kitchen is super spacious and it has been done very well. I like the blend of dark granite countertops with the white cabinetry. The developer has left a massive space here for your 6-burner cooktop, and on top of it you have a socket that is aiming to power your heat extractor. Any of those do not come standard. On my right hand side, you have a double sink done very well with a tilting faucet and with an access of cold and hot water. This is very important, especially when you want to wash and rinse your utensils. I like it that the kitchen is getting a massive window, a semi-transparent door for maximum natural light. On my far front, you have a massive space under the stairs, and it has two purposes. This is where you do your refrigerator, and the space left can be modified to act as your pantry. If you want to do that or any other activity within this space, you can always talk to the developer when you purchase one of these units. This is the access of the living room from the kitchen, and the dining area is on my far right. Let's use the door, see the laundry area and the clotheslines area. This is where you should do your washing machine. And for the people who like machine drying, you can also do a dryer here. But in Kenya, we do not recommend that because our sun is spectacular, and that's why most developers will do a clothesline area like this just to make sure that your clothes are getting the best sun in the world. From the kitchen area, we will see the guest bedroom and the common washroom. The common washroom has been done very well, and it also doubles as a bathroom to the guest bedroom. It comes with a WC at the center, and you have a showering space on that end. At the exit of this bathroom, you have a wash basin that comes with a shaving right. The guest bedroom is big enough for a 5x6 bed or a king size bed. Behind me you have the closet to this bedroom, done very well with spaces for the hangable clothes, spaces for the foldable clothes, and 2 drawers down there. The closet is also floor to ceiling, and it is adapting a similar concept to all the closets that we will see in this unit. This room gets a massive window for maximum natural light. From our little analysis, we have noticed that the biggest buyers of properties are millennials and Gen Zs, and those characters are big in light matters. That's why you should impress them with such a big window. On my right hand side, you have the first bedroom on this level. On my left hand side, you have the second one on this level, but this one is slightly smaller. And on my far front, where we have Mr. Vincente, the videographer, that's where we have the primary bedroom. This is one of the children bedrooms, and it has been done very well. It is the bigger one, and it comes with its bathroom at the entrance. The bathroom has been done very well with a towel holder over here, a WC at the center, a wash basin on my far front, and behind me you have the showering area, to which you can add a shower curtain over here. As I mentioned, this is the bigger space, and it is taking the orientation of the guest bedroom, but slightly bigger. You have the closet on this side, and if you are not keen, you wouldn't even notice there is a closet here because they are flush to the wall, and that is a very posh construction implementation. As always, you are also getting a massive window on this side, and it is giving you the best views to this Kitengela area. The gypsum ceilings have been crafted well enough to be acceptable, and from here I'm taking you to the second kids' bedroom. Most developers do not even try to comprehend how the houses they build will be used. But this developer is not one of them. The fact that he understood this bedroom is the smallest and he gave them some sliding doors shows that he understands that this bedroom wouldn't be big enough unless the closets are sliding. That is very nice. The closet is sizable, big enough for your girls or your boys, and it has been partitioned very well for all types of clothes. It is funny that this bedroom is slightly smaller than the one that we just saw, but it comes with a slightly bigger bathroom. The distribution of all basic fixtures has been done very well. A shower cubicle is big enough for teenagers or small children, and the tiling has gone up to this level just to make sure that the concrete does not get affected by vapor. Right now we are in the primary bedroom, and it is the biggest. For the people who get tired of watching long videos, you can always watch the shorter version of this in our TikTok or our Instagram, African Real Estate. For the people who like seeing the photos and comparing units, you can always visit our website, africanrealestate.com. By now, you can already agree with me that this primary bedroom has been done very well. It is getting a ton of natural light, and I love it that it comes with the biggest bathroom. From there, you can agree with me that the distribution of the closet has been done very well. You have one section on this side for you, and on the other side, you have a space for your partner. At the center, you have a dresser and a set of 4 drawers for the tiny garments that cannot be hanged. The primary bathroom comes with a vanity, and it gets 2 drawers for your toiletries. At the center, you have a very nice WC, and on my right hand side, you have a shower cubicle area that is big enough for 2. If there is something that is always very important and most developers tend to forget, is a shaving right. That is very important for the bushy men like me. This gated estate has been done very well, and it is exactly 900 meters from Namanga Road. If you'd want to purchase any of these units, as I mentioned, it is only 11 million Kenya shillings. So make sure you call us with the number attached in the first comment. As always, never stop watching.